my dear students. Welcome to IMS GATE Academy. So today we have with us Rohit Chakraborty, who have scored an AIR of 805 in electrical stream. So Rohit, many congratulations you first of all.
Thank you so much, sir.
So Rohit, we would like to know about your background.
Sir, I have completed my BTech in the year 2022 from RCC Institute of Information Technology, which is located in Beliaghata, Shialda. Sir, I have done my. I was under the discipline of electrical engineering.
Okay.
So, sir, yes, I have completed it in 2022.
So right now you are final year pass out student. Okay?
Pass out student.
You are
Yes.
pass out student. Okay. So it was your first attempt, or you have?
Sir, it was my second attempt. I have given one attempt in the fourth year.
Okay.
In which, sir, I secured a rank of around 3424.
Okay, so from 3000 rank, now you are able to score a rank of 805.
806, sir.
806. That's wonderful. So Rohit, what was actually your preparation strategy through which you have managed to score this rank?
Sir, I would say, sir, the moment I joined IMS GATE Academy, sir, all the faculties were extremely helpful throughout the curriculum. They thoroughly helped us in all the subjects. It involved, sir, the IMS GATE Academy dedicatedly gave the study materials which were pretty helpful for every single subject. Sir, I used to complete I used to try to complete as much as possible those books which was given by the faculties with the for example, sir, when the control was started, which was started earlier. So I used to complete the subject topics which was taught in the class and used to go home and do the corresponding numericals, which was given in the textbook. So, sir, similarly, I used to do it for every single subject. Sometimes, sir, I used to have doubt, which I used to clarify most of the times from IMS doubt portal. And sir, if it was not possible all the time to clarify all the single doubts, so I used to refer to the respective faculties which used to come for tutoring us.
Okay. So how IMS GATE Academy faculty have helped you in your journey?
Sir, all the faculties were extremely supportive. They thoroughly helped us in all the faculties were extremely helpful, especially, sir, I would like to say, sir, you personally have helped us a lot in core subjects like power system and power electronics, sir. I watched all of your lectures in power electronics, which you have given, sir. It was around the time of September, I guess, sir. So it was extremely helpful in finishing the all the courses in time, which gave us the time to give exams, because without giving exam you cannot properly assess yourself. So, sir, I basically gave all the exam which IMS GATE Academy provided. The IMS GATE Academy provided approximately 15 test series. I more or less attempted all the test series. Sir, it was extremely helpful. The scores used to, sir, the papers which were set by in the test series were extremely moderate level, which actually helped us in the GATE exam of 2023. Sir, because this year, especially this year, the question was pretty tough. The cutoff was also pretty low as compared to the other year, as well as the topper have also not. If you see that the previous year toppers and this year, the marks has decreased a lot drastically. So, sir, yes, the preparation really, the wholesome journey of 1 year has really helped me a lot in not only clarifying the doubts, but also it has given me motivation to do more, actually.
This year the paper was actually at a bit on tricky side.
Yes,
even the topper has scored, I think, around 67 or 70 marks.
Yes, sir, 66 marks.
So, Rohit, the test series has played a very vital role in your success, isn't it?
Yes, sir. The test series was extremely extremely helpful. The test series, sir, I will most likely to say that test series was extremely helpful because it helped us in assessing the time management skills. Because in exam you have to finish the most of the questions in an allotted time of 3 hours. So you have to be extremely dedicated in solving those questions, which actually helped us a lot. Actually, plus I would rather say the time management skills is my time management skills totally goes for the test. Had I not given the test series, I could not have, it could not have been possible to secure this rank. The test series was extremely helpful. Yes, sir, and throughout the journey, it really helped me a lot, the test series.
And with how you have managed those 3 hours of exam, generally what happens, a student prepare for a year and during the exam, they are not able to manage that exam pressure. So how you have managed the pressure of those 3 hours?
Yes, sir. Basically, sir, I always try to focus on my strong areas. I make dedicated notes at which are the subjects where I can score full. For example, sir, subjects like control theory, network theory, digital electronics, analog electronics, system and signal and system. These are the subjects where I primarily focused on, because these are more or less common in all the IN, E and ECE departments. Yes. So I primarily focused on that, as well as I tried the aptitude and mathematics portion. So aptitude is an extremely volatile portion. You cannot never say that I will gain all the 10 to 10 marks, but yes, we try our level best, because sometimes a tricky question do come. So I try to focus on those areas, and the rest are the core department this year was to be extremely this year the approach more was doing little amount of question but correctly in an accurate manner, because this year the strategy was like that only, because the moment I gave the exam, I started giving the exam, I saw that this year the paper is really tough. Means it is not a conventional paper like most of the time it has came. More or less you can predict that this type of question can come, but this year it has not followed that pattern. It has deviated a little bit. Like questions from microprocessors also came, which were not seen in previous years also. But this time those questions, so basically I try to focus on the areas where I am strong at rather than going too far ahead. So sir, this strategy helped me a lot in actually assessing my test.
Excellent. So Rohit, right now, what are your future plans?
Sir, my future plans at this point of time is to probably go for a. I was previously working in a Wipro, so I have gained that experience a lot in the IT field. But now I would like to go for some apprenticeship program, if for some light work, so that I can prepare again for 2024 and give it better next time also, more better. So you were there in an IT job. You have left that job. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I got the placement from our college. So basically, I was preparing for. I was there for about till September. I left the job in September and focused the 4 months on GATE. So hats off to your dedication, Rohit. So thank you so much. I think you should participate in counseling through this score. I am sure that you will get a top. I am sure that you will get a very good IIT or top NIT. And yes, it's better that you're planning for 2024 as well. Yes, sir. I'm planning because to score this good rank and in a tough paper right now, I'm sure that you can be in the top 100 in the next year. Yes, sir. So Rohit, what will be your advice to future GATE aspirant, and what will be your planning for? Sir, my for every future aspirant, sir, I will only tell that prepare one subject at a time. Don't rush too much, because GATE exam is more or less about studying less subjects but with a more accuracy. You should focus more on accuracy rather than learning a lot, a huge level of exam, because in exam time you will not able to recall most of the things. So better to study less but study in a proper way, giving mock exams. And I will dedicatedly tell the all the juniors that do go for coachings, because it helps a lot, because individual cannot assess the exam pattern properly, because in 3 hours time you will probably miss a lot of things. But if you are in a dedicated coaching, then you will get the guidance where you can have to focus and where you have to do better, I will say. So students, you have to strategize everything. You have to make a better plan for yourself and take one subject at a time. Yes, and take test series positively. This is the plan that Rohit has made for himself, and he has executed that plan really well.
and he is still planning for 2024. He has left his job from IT, and then you can see his dedication. So if you are dedicated enough, you can also do better in GATE exam. So Rohit, once again, many congratulations to you from IMS GATE Academy.
Thank you so much, sir.
And we are very hopeful that we will see you under 100 in under 100 rank the next year.
Yes, sir. I will totally try my level best.
Okay. So once again, many congratulations. Thank you, Rohit.
Thank you so
for
much, sir.
coming here.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Okay.